Hi everybody, Bridget here. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple spinach and lentil curry, or in other words a palak and dal curry, or greens and dal, whatever you or dal, whatever you want to call it. You know, many people have asked me to share some vegetarian recipes, so I thought this would be a very easy thing to show you, and do keep watching. It's very simple. I'm doing it in a pressure cooker, but you could cook it directly on your flame by covering your pot with a tight fitting lid so that the dal cooks well and becomes soft. So do keep watching. So what you would need is 2 cups of chopped spinach, and then you can add 1 cup of tur dal or pigeon pea that is washed and soaked in 1 cup of water for a little while, maybe like say for half an hour or even less. Then you add 1 more cup of water, and now very few ingredients. We'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 green chilies that I've broken, half a teaspoon of cumin like jeera powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and then you mix it all well together. So if you want, you could add chopped tomatoes as also to this before you start pressure cooking, but otherwise it's not necessary. Now you just cover the pressure cooker and we'll pressure cook for 10 minutes. So once the pressure dies down, you could open the lid of the pressure cooker, and now we'll add some salt to taste, just sufficient. And then you mash with a spoon or a churner or a masher, and then keep it aside. Okay, now we are going to temper the dal. So what we do is we heat 2 tablespoons of oil or 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan, and you add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and just fry till they splutter. So once the mustard seeds start spluttering, add in a few curry leaves, 2 broken red chilies, and 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. And now you add this to the mustard and fry till the garlic turns brown. So fry till the garlic turns brown, and then you switch off the heat. Now you add this to the cooked spinach and dal and mix well. There's no need to reheat. If you want, you could do so. And there you go, your spinach and lentil curry or spinach and dal curry is ready. Goes well with rice or with chapatis. And there you go, your very simple and easy and quick lentil and spinach curry is ready, or dal and spinach curry is ready. So this will go well with our chops that we made today and plain rice. Enjoy. So if you like this video, do like and share it, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I've just been showing you some vegetarian dishes because people asked me to share some of my vegetarian recipes with them. So here you go, a perfect bowl of dal and spinach. Thank you.